All right, welcome back to another trade recap. This is the last one of this week. It's Friday. As you can see by my screen, the title, and right here, I lost $254 today, which makes me red on the week. Just an unfortunate way to end it, but nothing I can do about it. It's all right. I took a loss and a break-even trade, and let me show you those two. So going on the 4 hour, you can still see the structure is trending up higher. We're still in bullish order flow. There's no gaps, but on the 1 hour, you can see that we're right above these two gaps right here. So initially, I want to see price come down, give us a reaction, and continue going higher. We have all-time highs above us with low resistance liquidity up to it. And then on the 15-minute, you can see that we have equal highs right here and then relative equal highs up here on the 5. So I just want to see price come down here, give us a reaction so we can target all our draw liquidities higher. Let me show you what price does when New York session opens. Yeah, okay. So price comes down. We hit this first initial 1 hour, and I don't think we tapped the second one. Yeah, we don't. So I took my first trade here. Now this trade is a little debatable. Um, I mean, you can argue that we don't need that big of a retracement, but what I am fading when taking this trade is this 1 hour right below my stop loss, and the fact that ES never touched this 5 minute gap right here when I entered. So here, let me play this next candle. You can see we inverse this 5 minute gap right here, but ES never touched it, never even waved into it, didn't inverse it, didn't do nothing. So although NQ might have inversed it, ES was still showing signs of going lower, so it wasn't ready to distribute. So I entered right here, I think break even at the equal high, targeting the relative equal highs. But unfortunately, that trade just completely didn't play out and I got stopped out. But there was a re-entry because after that, we did tap to the second 1 hour right under us. And we had true manipulation coming down with ES also tapping it down here. So on this one, we had another 5 minute, you can see right here. And this 5 minute, we inverse it with a lot of displacement. And I entered right here. Stop loss. I don't know. I don't think I put it that low. Probably like at the wick. And start getting the same draw and just the 15-minute equal highs were my break even. So you can see in the 1 minute, we tap it barely by anything to be honest. And unfortunately, price reacts off it and we get break even. We chop around a little lower after that. So although both these trades were reacting off higher time frame gaps and giving inversion to the upside, they just failed to really distribute all the way up to my draws. And I don't even know what this is to be honest. I don't know if this is a 4 minute or a 3 minute, but this right here we didn't even have a SMT down here either. Like you can see right here, but this tap back into the second 1 hour gave us the reaction that we wanted, and we kept going up higher, 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 all the way up to actually all-time highs, creating new all-time highs, as you can see. So it was just unfortunate. The first one though was definitely a avoidable loss. Shouldn't have taken this, knowing that well, actually I didn't see it, but now that I see it, ES didn't tap into the 5 minutes, so we weren't ready to distribute. And then the second one's just unfortunate break even because of the equal highs. But yeah, that's how I lost 254. And I'm just gonna have to take this weekend to journal, rethink my trading, maybe backtest some more, and just be ready for Monday. Come back Monday, we have another opportunity, and we're just gonna keep trading.